Here we go. They call us non-stop sheetrock because can't nothing stop us. So here we go again. Go use Makita Batteries. Start this motherfucker. Hit it, Zach. Oh, hit it again. Oh, she dead. Okay, here we go. We're gonna put the juice to her. Gary, put the juice to her, baby. Gary, put the juice. Oh yeah, see how it's got the positive and the negative? Yeah, it makes it easy. Oh yeah. Oh, we got juice. Got juice. Oh. Now, I got my finger all over the camera and shit. Kind of hard doing it by yourself. Oh, but it can be done. And then, take a little bit of Bud Light. Gotta pour the Bud Light on there. Hit it, baby. Hit it. Hit that money. Oh, holla.